a day in my life in the Philippines.
Sana all.
Last April, I was lucky to get home to celebrate my birthday with my family because my boyfriend is just amazing.
It's Tom's first time here in Philippines, so I showed him around the salon, the mall, and the bank. Of course, those are favorite spots, right? We gotta go show him that. Mukhang enjoy naman ni Apam ang tricycle dito sa Pilipinas. So, mas okay talaga. Hindi na lang kailangan namin mag-rent ng sasakyan. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. No way! For me and him, there's none of us wanted to really drive here in Philippines.
So now we're going to Nayabar, guys. Waiting for my mom and my brothers. Please don't cry, but it was 10 years since the last time I reunited with my family. Hi. We only have 12 days to use for this vacation, and we had to switch hotels. So mind you, this is our second one. We're probably gonna rate it 8 out of 10. So if you're looking to travel that you will not end up selling your soul to someone, let me tell you, go to Philippines. They love American people. I don't know why. They just love white. On top of that, Philippines has a lot to offer when it comes to nature. And the females there,
At tingnan niyo naman itong dalawang ito. Hindi nagsawa sa isa't isa. Yan nga palang bay ay ang aking kapatid, si Febelin. Ang budol ng aming pamilya. Ganyan yan, lahat ng gusto niyang nakita, gusto niyang kainin din. Diba? Kawawang lalaki, talagang mahuhulog talaga ito sa madaming utang. Pero okay lang, basta ganyan talaga. Pagmamahal mo, diba? Talagang kahit ano, ibibigay. At hanggang dito na nga lang mga kabagkis. I will see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe. Bye!
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.